In this video we will talk about lower abdominal exercises for women. Improve your posture with exercise. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Lower abdominal exercises for women. Improve your posture with exercise. Lower abdominal exercises for women are an important part of women's health. While everybody talks about how wonderful it would be to have six-pack abs, it is not the only reason to make sure that you work out this part of your body. By using one or two effective types of lower abdominal exercises for women, you can make sure that this important muscle group is also getting worked out effectively. Effective lower abs exercises for beginners. Lying leg raises. Lie down on a flat bench. Raise your arms above your head and have your hands hold the edges of the bench or, if you have one, the hand grip behind your head. With your legs slightly bent at the knee, raise them all the way up to the vertical position. Pause a second and then slowly lower them. Try not to touch the ground at the bottom. This control will keep tension on the abdominals throughout the exercise and will therefore increase the intensity. Repeat for your designated number of reps and sets. Reverse crunch. Lie face up on a flat exercise bench. Raise your arms and firmly grasp the edge of the bench above or alongside your head. With your knees bent, and locked in this position, contract your abs and lift your hips to bring your knees in toward your chest. Hold for 3 seconds and lower your hips back to the bench. Repeat for your designated number of reps and sets. Leg lifts are more advanced exercises for lower abs. First of all, the hanging leg raise is one of the most effective types of abs exercises. For this exercise, however, you're going to need a lat pull-up bar to hang from. This bar is going to need to be high enough that you can hang from it with your arms fully extended, with your hands shoulder width apart, for long enough to do the exercise, without your feet touching the floor. Then, use your abdominal muscles. You will need to focus, to move your legs up until you are sitting in the air. Important for all abs exercises. Do not overtrain your abs. Remember that success is always a result of many efforts. Never train you abs if they are still very sore from a previous workout. Mildly sore is okay. Keep your abs pulled in tight through each repetition to get the maximum benefit of each rep. Keep your range of motion between 30 to 45 degrees from the floor or bench, the horizontal position. This helps to minimize the hip flexor area movement and makes sure that the abs get their full workout. Always keep your spine, neck, head and shoulder in alignment to prevent strains. When you do sit-ups and crunches, or any other exercise that requires your hands to be behind your head, never interlock your fingers as this causes you to pull on your head and will put your spine out of alignment, which may cause strains to your spine. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.